In this video, we'll tell you everything you need to know about the all-new Yanmar SA223 tractor. The 223 will essentially replace the Yanmar SA221, so say goodbye to the Yanmar SA221. In a future video, we'll introduce you to the rest of the new generation of Yanmar SA series tractors. That's the SA325 and the SA425, so if you aren't already, be sure to subscribe to the Tractor Bob YouTube channel for future videos. Now let's get started. The new features on the SA223 come down mostly to the transmission, but there are several improvements we will cover in this video. The SA223 is a dual-pedal hydrostatic drive tractor, but now rather than a single-speed transmission, the all-new SA223 comes equipped with a 2-speed hydrostatic transmission. This broadens the range of the transmission with more low-end torque when needed, or you can opt for a higher travel speed when torque is not a concern. One of the other main upgrades on the Yanmar SA223 is the rear differential lock, which engages the rear wheels into lock track while the heel pedal is engaged. When the heel pedal is released, the rear wheels go back into an open differential position. This is a feature we have been looking forward to on the Yanmar SA223, because a rear differential lock is a game changer when you get a tractor stuck or are tackling difficult terrain. The last major upgrade from the SA221 to the SA223 is that the 3-point adjustment lever is now a true position control system rather than an up and down lever that always returns to center. This means that with the addition of the height setting knob, you can index a specific cutting height and return to the exact same position after raising the 3-point arms. This is a feature that the larger SA series tractors have always had, and we are excited to see this addition on the SA223 model as well. The SA223, like the SA221, is powered with Yanmar's legendary 3-cylinder liquid-cooled 21 horsepower diesel engine, which is world-renowned for its torque output, fuel efficiency, and longevity. Like all Yanmar tractors, the SA223 comes with a 10-year transferable powertrain warranty. The front-end loader on the Yanmar SA223 uses a quick pin bucket attachment system, so you can quickly swap between loader implements, including pallet forks and grapples. The lift capacity of the front loader is an impressive 825 pounds at the pivot pin, the breakout force is 1,342 pounds at the pivot pin, and the maximum lift height is 71 inches at the pivot pin. The front end loader is completely removable, done simply by pinning the legs at the front of the boom into the down position and removing the 2 pins at the base of the loader frame. Once unpinned, push the loader joystick down while uncurling the bucket, and the base of the loader frame will rise up and out of the pin cradle. The only thing left to do is to disconnect the hydraulic couplers and cap them off to protect the couplers from dirt. Now, the SA223 is built like the other Yanmar tractors with a sturdy frame around the case, which the loader frame is bolted into. This is a much stronger design than many other tractors in this class, which have the loader frame bolted directly or even cast directly into the case, without a frame tying the length of the chassis together. We won't name names, but we might be talking about a certain green tractor that we've seen from customers before. Aside from Yanmar's superior chassis, the SA223 comes equipped with selectable 4-wheel drive, a true 4-wheel drive system, not just front wheel assist. Tractor Bob orders mostly R4 industrial tread tires for the SA223, but we do sell a lot of turf tread tires on the SA series tractors as well. Because they're so popular for belly mowing with the mid-mount PTO, the belly mower for the SA223 is a 60-inch cut and has 4-caster wheels, a reinforced edge, and anti-scalp rollers. One of the best things about the Yanmar SA223 is how compact it is for all the power Yanmar has managed to pack in. The overall length of the Yanmar SA223, including the 3-point hitch, is 102.1 inches. The wheelbase is 57.9 inches, the width is just 47.3 inches, the height with the ROPS bar up is 82.3 inches, and the top speed is 9.5 miles per hour. Now, for the weight, including the loader, it's 1,962 pounds, so this will go just fine on smaller trailers. Now you may be wondering, how much more will I be paying for the all-new Yanmar SA223 compared to the older SA221? We have found that most Yanmar dealers are selling the SA221 for $14,000 to $14,988, and that the SA223 is typically available for around $1,500 to $2,000 more depending on availability and pricing at your local dealer. Tractor Bob will be closing out of inventory on the SA221 and will be offering it for only $13,988 while supplies lasts. So whether you want to purchase the newest generation of the SA series or you just want to take advantage of the discounted pricing of the previous generation, Tractor Bob has you covered. For all it's worth, the SA223 is a very capable little tractor, and with the new upgrades that come with the second generation of this 21 horsepower Yanmar tractor, it brings even more value and versatility to the user. At its affordable price point, as well as being backed with Yanmar's industry-leading 10-year powertrain warranty, the value of the SA223 is clear. It is worth noting that for the next couple months, many customers should be able to find great deals on the previous generation of this tractor, the SA221, of which Tractor Bob has around 30 units at the time of making this video. Thank you so much for watching this video on the Yanmar SA223 subcompact tractor. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up. That really helps us out a lot. Hit that subscribe button to see more content like this and tap the bell icon to stay notified. Have a great day.